How to see blocked accounts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings and privacy, and once you're here, scroll all the way down to the connection section and click on blocked accounts. And here you will be able to find all of the accounts that you have blocked on Instagram in this page right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check and find the blocked list on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.